When people think about trading, they imagine buying, selling, charts moving, fast decisions. And after spending almost 2 years in the market, I've realized something. Trading isn't really all about taking trades, it's also about waiting for the trades. And honestly, that's the hard part. So when I first started trading, I thought successful traders were constantly in a trade. Every time I opened Instagram, I saw someone screenshot making the profit. Every time I opened YouTube, I saw someone's thumbnail that they caught the perfect move. No one were posting about the days they did absolutely nothing. So naturally, I thought I was missing something. If I wasn't in a trade, I was wasting my time. Looking back, I wasn't really afraid of missing trades. I was afraid of feeling left behind. And that's where I made most of my mistakes. I'd convinced myself that this was the perfect setup. I don't want to miss this rally. The market is moving. And one trade became two, two became revenge trading, and by the end of the day, I wasn't following my system anymore. I was following my emotions. And the worst part is, I knew before I clicked buy, I knew that the setup wasn't really there. I took it anyways. After a few weeks, I started noticing a pattern. I started to journal every trade, not just the profitable ones, every trade. My journal kept showing me the same thing. My biggest losses didn't come from bad market conditions. They came from the moment I lowered my own standards. They came from the trade I knew I shouldn't have taken. That's when I realized something. Waiting isn't really doing nothing. Waiting is actually the part of the strategy. Now, some trading days looks incredibly boring. I open charts, watch the market move, and don't take a single trade. A few months ago, I would have called it a wasted day, but today I call it discipline. Because every trade I don't force is the one mistake I don't have to recover from tomorrow. The market doesn't reward activity, it rewards discipline. And sometimes doing nothing is actually the most productive decision you will make all day. So I'm still learning. I still have days where I want to just click buy because everyone else seems to be making money. But I'm trying to remind myself that trading isn't always about being in the markets. It's about waiting for the moments where my edge actually exists. Because at the end of the day, market isn't paying me for being busy. It's paying me for making good decisions. Even if that decision is doing absolutely nothing. If you're on your own trading journey too, I'd love to know what's been the hardest part for you. Leave it in the comments down below and I'll read every single one of them. Until then, trust the process and I'll see you in the next one.